Hello! Video about procedure of using DIAG V10 JLR key programmer. This device is designed for emergency starting of the Range Rover Land Rover Jaguar from 2010 till 2016 engines with latest software of KVM module. Open the door by mechanical key and plug device into OBD2 circuit. Alarm will be turned off after 2-3 seconds. Attach the key emulator to the steering column. If you heard a long sound from the device after next few seconds, push Start button on the console. After the first programming, the key emulator will be work all the time in the car. If you want to start the engine, you must attach the key emulator to the steering column and push Start button. Remote in the key will not be working. You can use this key emulator to many cars. Device is working only with such key emulator on all cars with new KVM module FK72 excluding of Range Rover Discovery Sport and Jaguar F-Pace. Thanks for watching.